So the breath that pushed you down knocks back even when blocking. I probably shouldn't, but I block it and I always get staggered back.
I will do what I can. But
Just so you know.
Yeah, but it doesn't knock you back as far. Like, it will knock her down, I think.
But the breath knocked her down the cliff, right?
Yeah.
What happened?
But I believe if it's blocked, it knocks you less.
Ah, that could be.
It kind of just staggers you, but otherwise
Yeah,
it
it's
like
like a
knocks you
small
up
step
into the air.
back. More chances at more golden motif books, yeah?
Yes. Imagine if I got another one. It would be,
Well, you'll be set for gear for a while.
yes. I could keep one. I showed it on Odyssey University, and Nephis said he has never seen that before. He asked me how I got it, and I was just like, oh yeah, we were going for trifectas, and then we died. It's like, oh, maybe I should die more. So we just... It was literally just a hard mode clear. I would assume trifecta would maybe give a better chance of it dropping.
No way.
That would be very cool if it did, actually. Farming hard modes for motives could be an interesting way of making gold.
The best way is to spend the same time real life working and just buy crowns.
Yes, absolutely.
Like even these carry runs, unless it's like something really high, I get a few 100k for half an hour of work. Or unless it's Asylum, I guess that's really fast.
I used to do online teaching, and that would actually make a solid amount of money now that I come to think of it.
These people doing carry runs do like, I don't know, 300k for half an hour. That's 3 euros.
Yeah, that's
less,
like...
I don't know. Yeah.
Wait, is it 3 euro?
10 euros? 5 euros? No, I don't know.
I think so.
400 per crown, let's say, so 400k would be 1000 crowns. How much is 1000 crowns? No.
Like, now that I think about it, instead of farming gold in the game, like if I actually just did 1 hour long lesson,
Yeah, and spend it in crowns. That's
saving crowns, I would... Yeah, I would actually have so much money. I mean, so much in-game gold if I did that.
Whoa, how humble. Wow, if I did 1 hour of work, I would be so rich.
I mean, in-game rich.
It's my turn to study your insides.
Beru. What is this heavy attack with no warning, no nothing?
That's on me? Oh. Got some poop there.
But this heavy attack is super weird. It's like, it does nothing. Careful, careful, careful. Okay.
Always gets very spicy when that happens.
Behind.
Again? What the hell? She hates me.
See what you wish to bargain with. She must remain firm.
Totally
Are you guys actually in Sweden or Switzerland? I never know.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Bit different.
But they both start with an S. All the same countries.
Slovakia.
Shut up. Yeah, no difference to me.
Yeah, Switzerland. Switzerland is very nice.
I'm disappointed.
What, Switzerland?
Yes.
Have you ever been to Switzerland?
No.
Then why are you disappointed at not having?
Because I was considering of visiting Sweden. I wanted to ask you how it is, but no, I can't.
Prohan and Stoner are from Sweden.
Oh,
Are
really?
living in Sweden actually. But I think Prohan lives like in the middle of a boat floating in the ocean or something. 3, 2, 1. No, not in a boat, but like in a remote village where there's like 2 fishermen and an ESO player, a horn. Yeah. Well. Why can I not? Huh?
What's wrong?
I don't know. I think I didn't name my pool correctly.
You didn't name it?
I didn't aim it. Also, I didn't name it. Silver bullets. I have named it. Danny Horn. I don't like being in that corner.
No.
Is it still
Right
still
after I
inside or
just
not?
rolled it.
Is it inside?
Said I don't like being in that corner, and you moved out of my dist roll.
No, it's still in. What? It's not? Doesn't matter.
It was like on the edge, I think.
All calculated.
Yes. Next level tanking skills.
I can. Okay. And because of a secret feature, the stroll deals more damage on the edge. You have
Yes.
to place it strategically. No one knows this secret. Because it's not true. Someone is not looting. Okay, thank you.
Good. Underestimating us will be his undoing.
Unleash me, and he won't be much longer.
I'll give you only the slack you need, no more. Now spit out the dragon before he escapes.
Oh no, I forgot to record. We have to restart.
Oh, damn it.
What?
It's okay, I'm recording. I'll send you the
No, no,
material.
The material. The footage. Wow, my off time.
Shut up.
Thanks for freeing me. I need to. I can feel it everywhere.
Quite an interesting blind run. The bosses are very surprising. Things we've never seen before.
I should get Dead Waters. Do you know where that drops?
Black Rose Prison, I think, but you can buy it.
Wait, what? How come I can buy it if it drops in an arena?
Yeah, but it drops on chest. It's like the Maelstrom sets that drop in the chest, but it's viable.
Okay.
I think, yeah. Maybe I'm confusing that. I think so.
I don't think so actually, because
I don't think so.
I saw Paulina recently get an Inferno stuff, and he doesn't play Black Rose.
Tastes
Yeah,
like
bro.
a compost.
Merkmeyer. It's green, so it looks. I don't know.
So it's Overland?
No, in Black Rose chests, but you can buy it on Guild Traders.
No, but like,
Maybe also Overland. I don't know that.
yeah, I think it might be actually.
But I think I've seen a piece drop in Black Rose. Maybe Danny knows. The Unchained Danny.
Yeah, they drop in Black Rose. I don't know if they are Overland.
I know Paulina has never played veteran Black Rose, and I doubt he would do
It doesn't
normal.
need to be veteran. Doesn't need to be veteran.
Yeah, but I doubt he would do normal.
Guild Traders, like what the heck?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can buy it on Guild Traders.
The jewelry, purple jewelry, was like 20k or 15k.
How much is it for the lightning stuff?
Good point. That's probably the most expensive.
Yeah, I would assume so.
Not something that we should check now, but huh?
That's
Because it's because it's the generic one from collections without a trader.
Oh yeah.
Offers you life.
Look at this, pretending to be Siroria. Hello.
My gratitude for releasing me from that monster.
Pulling in 3. 3,
Wait, please. I'm not even there.
5, 4,
Must be
3, 2, 1.
Proximity is already beginning to taint you.
What I count now?
destroying it weakens
Going this way.
Destroy it easily, however you can.
Careful, careful, careful.
Not going one shots,
Now
by
watch
the
out
way.
with that. I don't see the other one. Oh, it's behind. Ah, sorry. Oh, you're clipping it along? I should.
Oof, better.
Oh my god, so close.
Yeah.
One's almost there.
My
Careful. Okay. Dropped.
I think it's we get it to very low, and maybe if both Dodo and I use execute, we might be able to burn it in the end.
She's playing Nightblade. I'm pretty sure she uses execute.
Yeah, but I wasn't using it. Although I don't know, maybe I shouldn't bother slotting it, because if I slot execute, then it will take longer to get there.
If both of you, you're not using Ballard, right?
No.
Jeez, if both of you do go with 500 gold, drop it for sure.
Oh, yeah, I think if I... Yeah, I need to get myself Ballard.
You don't have it at all, or you don't have it in like right trade?
I don't have it at all.
Oh well. I'm so wrong.
So, March of Sacrifices after this?
Danny wanted to do Ice Ridge.
Oh yeah, we can do that. That should be easier.
I would also be up. He wanted to do Castle Thorn, but I've done it yesterday, so I would rather.
Oh, I don't want to do Castle Thorn.
Huh?
Castle Thorn,
Is
has
one of the
bugged out
easiest.
on me twice. I got no death there once, and it didn't get it, and then we got speedrun, and we didn't get it.
You have to kill all the ads. All.
Everything.
So, something that I don't know, but we did it just in case, is, you know, the scythes that pull you in the...
Yes. Yes, we killed everything. I believe we killed all the ads because we went back through the dungeon like 3 or 4 times after killing the boss to just
You
look
can
for ads.
watch on my YouTube channel playthrough and compare. Yeah.
Yeah, I did that as well actually.
What?
I watched a YouTube video of somebody playing through it, and I believe we got every ad. Maybe we missed something, but I doubt we would miss like something twice in a row. And especially after like running through the dungeon again afterwards.
For me, it happens in March of Sacrifices. Always, always, always. I forget. Some group.
Yes,
one was-
March of Sacrifices is.
skill you. Sorry.
There's a lot of ads. They're like hidden everywhere.
Super hidden.
In March of Sacrifices. Not sure who I was playing with, but I remember when we were doing March of Sacrifices no death attempts, and that person was saying that this one time they got a no death when they killed the final boss, but there was still some ad alive, so they went back and then they died on the trash pool.
And they got the no death or no?
They
Yeah,
didn't get
you can. Oh, you can do that actually, and it works.
No, going back and killing the ads, yes. But the question is, did they die while killing the ad?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
oh,
Yeah, yeah. No, because
I
that
don't
was
know.
like, yeah, you can do that. For me, yeah, some achievement. I don't know what it is. Was like that as well, coming back. But then everyone spreads to find it faster, and then someone pulls like the big ads, and it's like, oh, I died.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, funny minigame for to keep Danny busy.
this is my favorite part of the dungeon.
Wow. Also Plectros because he gets to fly. Ah no, it was Dodo, sorry.
No, it was me. Maybe both.
You also flew. Okay. Did this get to fly? Chiller gets to do these things. I just don't do anything.
I'm just. It helps me move faster. Like I use it to get closer to the
Danny,
next
Danny?
round.
Like rocket jump.
Also lying right now.
Hey, my horn. My favorite boss is, I don't know. The tree one I like.
Wait, who's alive? What?
What? Careful, big one is loose. Got it. At least I warned you. I may not taunt it, but at least I warned.
I need the cleanse, I need the cleanse, I need the cleanse.
Is there something loose?
He's jumping down.
My horn.
I think we don't need to use ults on the second jump. Unless you have enough.
But
He just
Why
jumps
not?
up at 35 all the time.
oh, big one. Sorry.
Are you taunting the small ads?
Yeah, fine, focus. All plan. Careful.
down.
Finish him.
And done. Hey, look, a chest.
You won't escape. I'll hunt you to the ends of the world.
It could really hurt him. This crazy plan might actually work.
Your confidence is heartening. We've driven Maarselok back to his lair. The battle will not be finished until the dragon is terrified or ensnared.
Maybe second.
He's up there, by that spire. Ugh, the lights everywhere.
What?
We have to hurry.
It could have been a mimic. I think that was a safe precaution.
Okay, no more looting ever.
Use this clip to root out the blight from your body.
Now Dodo will be with the blue thing. She won't make it in time. She will get one hit. Block. You're blue. Okay, I'm blue. Don't worry, I have twisting path. What? I have to be faster. Nothing can kill me. I have twisting path.
What's the story here, actually? Why is Celine changing between helping us and not helping us?
It's like that Tamaja story, no? Like if you're blue, you're corrupt and you're bad, like the shades. No, that's my understanding.
I don't know this magic story either.
No. Like Siroria, Galenwood, and all of these are good Welkiners, but Samaja creates their shadows and makes them very evil.
Oh, shadows! But this isn't the shadow of
Yeah,
Celine.
but it's like a virus. It's like a blue thing, you see. This
Yeah,
see,
Azul Blight.
Azure Blight, yeah.
His stench is
Yeah,
unmistakable.
but she's helping us now.
Away.
Oh, she's not.
Yeah. But she is evil in the beginning as the first boss, and then on hard mode. But only on hard mode, which is interesting. Otherwise, she's not corrupt.
Yeah.
And isn't she also? That's me, right? Yeah, that's me. Like the dungeon, Celine's web.
Yeah, but
happened
that's just that she protects nature and you're there to mess it up.
Oh, so she's actually against us.
In Celine's web, or now. Oh, thanks.
Celine's web.
I have not read Celine's web, but I think it's something like you come here. Oh, I'm blue.
Get to my ward.
You come here to tamper with my nature. You're bad. I like trees. Don't kill trees.
Oh, she's a tree hugger. I get it now.
Okay, small ads are loose, but at least not big ones. Oh. Hello. Azure Blight infected the layer. Did you get this? Maybe you already had it. Oh. Is someone blue?
No?
This dungeon is super racist against Smurfs.
What?
It's like blue is bad. It tries to plant this idea in your head. The final boss should be called Gargamel. No, what's the name in English? Is it Gargamel?
I need to wash off. Several
Ah, yeah, Gargamel. I don't know.
I've known him as Gargamel in Slovak as well.
What a villain. That's truly a villain. Imagine Gargamel.
Gargamel is how you would call him.
enough running, coward.
Good question. I think it just bothers them.
But no, he's trying to make potions from them. They're like secret ingredient in I think a love potion.
Finish this for
Like that show, Enchanted, or what is it called? Princess Girl.
Yeah.
just like before.
But Smurfs are a good ingredient for something, some sort of potion, but I don't remember which one.
Okay, let's
I think
focus
it
now.
was.
We discuss Smurfs later. And now, if I get the breath in a bad position, I'll try to move it, and if I don't move, I'll say not moving.
Yeah.
Far
Well,
away.
the problem last time was that the breath was on top of the thing we had to use to reveal.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, the seed.
Okay, so I can try to look back and move it away at least from like the seed, or sometimes it goes on top of a pad, and if it's the one you have to cleanse, that sucks. I'll try to pay more
Yeah.
then. Okay, 3.
And we have time to do that mechanic.
Yeah, exactly. Let's do mechanics. Don't rush. Chill. No Balorg. 3, 2, 1. Go my horn.
Should actually run Ice Heart here.
Horn.
I should. I'm not.
Yeah, Dodo's professional.
Yes.
Charge. I hope it reached. If ads overwhelm you, please tell me. It's claiming a host.
2.
2.
So whoever said
Zero.
one.
2.
Yes.
Shield is gone? Okay. My horn. Not moving. Okay. Charge.
My horn.
Where's Selena? We're very fine. Play safe, please.
3.
3. Qcell go.
2, 3. Which one?
Yes.
This one here.
3.
Yeah.
3.
Now?
Now.
Oof, my health. Not moving?
Dropped.
Breath.
Cleanse me, please. Q.
Careful charge.
Alive or dead, you will become one with Maarselok.
Mechanic. Let's do it, please.
Yes.
3.
Not moving.
1.
Plectrodancer go to 3. Check the shield, please.
Is this 3? Yes.
Yeah. Nice.
My health, 4. Breath. Good barrier. I'll do the same. Breath. He's gonna charge. Please, away from me. Breath. Let's do it one more time, I guess. We're going safe anyway.
1.
3. 3.
Not moving.
Oh,
So what was it again? I still 3.
Say the numbers again.
1.
Okay, so you go to 1.
Good. Done.
That wasn't me.
Good. Use barrier when you have it. Or like, I mean, when it's dangerous. Oh, interrupt.
I have no stamina. Fine.
Charge. Maybe I should use Horn. We should really try to push this.
We need to kill these ads, there's too many.
Okay. Try to taunt over. Breath.
Plants, please.
Fuck. Do we do it again?
We need to do it. One.
So Dodo goes to 1.
Yes.
Check the shield, please.
Chill
Now
out.
go.
That's not it. That's not it.
1.
You have to
One.
go to 1.
It's 1.
Please, fast.
Nice.
Breath.
Plants.
Let's kill it now, yeah?
Yeah. Be ready for a charge. Interrupt.
Yeah, charge, careful.
Roll dodge.
Good job.
Good job. Yeah.
We used so many barriers. I was so scared.
Yeah, 2 barriers.
I used 2 barriers as well.
I was very scared there.
I was, yeah. Good job.
Even you, Corindon. Did I not agree to lend you sleeve aid? I expect
Well done, guys.
promptly.
You don't speak for me, Oathbreaker.
Plectro, do you want the ice stuff?
Worth the air you waste.
From what?
Zen.
Not sour victory.
Zen, ice stuff?
Not what you wanted.
Probably not. Like, if you're gonna use it, take it.
What else made that foolish?
Seems very niche.
I never
Very niche. For when they release DK Ice variant.
you prove yourself too dangerous to let roam. Perhaps when you're tamed.
Oh, good job.
I won't let you break our
Thanks for watching. Tune in on to the next video of Dungeon Trifecta. Thanks for the 4 subscribers. Let's see if we get to 5 in the next month. 2 of them, yes.